In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change button hover color in Shopify. We'll walk through this together step by step so you can customize the look of your buttons and better match your brand. You don't need to be a developer for this, but we will be using a tiny bit of CSS. Just follow along and pause the video whenever you need more time. First, log into your Shopify admin. This is your main dashboard where you manage products, orders, and your online store. Once you're in the admin, look at the menu on the left-hand side. Click on Online Store and then select Themes. This is where all of your store's themes are listed, including your current active one. Find your active theme and click on the option to edit it. Depending on your theme, this button may say Customize or something similar, but the idea is to open the theme editor. Once the website editor loads, look at the top of the screen for the Page Selector or Page Locator. Click that, then choose Products from the drop-down and select the default product template. We're doing this so we can work directly on a product page where the Add to Cart button appears. On the left-hand panel of the editor, you'll see different sections for this page. Click on the Product Information section. This is usually where your title, price, description, and Add to Cart button are controlled. Now, scroll down within that Product Information Settings panel until you see a field called Custom CSS or something similar. This is where you'll paste the CSS code shown in the original guide. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to, so you can carefully copy and paste that exact code into the custom CSS box. Once the code is in place, we'll customize the color. Open a new tab in your browser and go to Google. Type in Hex Color Picker. Google will show you a built-in color picker tool. Use this to choose the exact hover color you want for your button. When you're happy with the color, copy the hex code that starts with a hashtag, like number 123456. Go back to your Shopify theme editor, and in the code you pasted earlier, find the part that says background. Paste your hex color code right after background, replacing any existing color value there. When you're done, click Save in the top right corner of the editor. Then preview your store and hover over your Add to Cart button. You should now see the new hover color in action. In this walkthrough, we focused on the Add to Cart button, but the same approach can be adapted for other buttons on your store using similar CSS targeting.